though. The boy who threw a tantrum, Grandma Tantrums Back, 6-year-old Chima, was famous in the neighborhood. Not for football, not for singing, not for being helpful. No, Chima was famous for tantrums. If his shoe didn't fit right, he screamed. If his cereal wasn't sweet enough, he rolled on the floor. If someone said no, he acted like the world was ending. One sunny afternoon, Chima wanted cookies before dinner. GrandmaNgoZ.com, as always, said, "No NWAM. Dinner first, too." And that's when the drama started. Chima's face scrunched up like a squeezed tomato. He stomped his feet. He dropped to the floor. He kicked, screamed, and rolled around like a spinning top gone wild. Grandma watched him, quiet, patient, unbothered. Then she said, "Okay, my turn." Grandma took a deep breath, and suddenly she stomped her feet even louder. She flapped her arms like a giant chicken. She rolled on the floor slowly but dramatically. She wailed, "Where are my cookies?" "I want cookies too." Chima froze. He had never seen Grandma act like that. The neighbors peeked over the fence. A cat ran away in fear. Even the wind went silent. Chima stood up quickly. "Grandma, stop! People are looking." Grandma paused mid-roll, dust on her wrapper. "So you don't like it when someone throws a tantrum?" Chima swallowed hard. "No, it's embarrassing." Grandma stood, brushing herself off. Now you understand. Tantrums don't help. They only make noise." Chima nodded slowly. "Grandma, can I try again?" "Without the tantrum?" "Of course," she smiled. Sook. He took a deep breath. "Grandma, may I please have one cookie after dinner?" "Now that is how a gentleman asks," she said, handing him a small cookie as a reward for trying. From that day on, whenever Chima felt a tantrum bubbling up, he remembered Grandma rolling on the floor like a confused chicken, and he burst out laughing instead. And that was the end of the tantrum days. Because once Grandma's tantrums are back, nobody wants a rematch.